Well, I have just bought a Land Cruiser sight unseen, and found a FJ55 1972 model, and I'm waiting on it to get here. So anyway, I'm rather stoked about this. It's going to be a project vehicle. I'd like to see an Iron Pig sitting on some 35s or 37s, and it's got a Chevy 350 in it from what I'm told, but I haven't even laid eyes on this. I have no idea. It could be an absolute rust bucket, but anyway, it is what it is. Guess depending on how nice it is depends on kind of how I treat this thing. So we're either going to treat it like a stepchild, or we're going to treat it like a pavement princess. So anyway, and now I'll wait. So that'll be here in about another 10 to 15 minutes.
That's not the green next to me. That is fucking okay. That's been there since we got it.
72.
Hey,
Yeah.
there's even some old literature in the seat that's got a starter for $25.
Oh, shit.
Disc brakes on the front. Yep.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Here, flip this thing. Where's the proper on it?
You ain't got no hat right there in front of you, son.
Where's it go? Wait, what's that?
Oh, man.
I mean,
I promise you.
Oh, man, look at that steering box. Look at that handle. Jesus. I guess they had to clear the fender, didn't they?
I guarantee you, you put a damn hot battery.
Pull the dipstick. I don't know what it takes.
Heat, man.
Look at that.
oh yeah. There's a junk battery in the floor. All right, we're gonna film the wife's reaction to this Iron Pig that's sitting at work, and so we're gonna drive to town real quick.
My house.
Yeah, gonna drive up to the store, and we're gonna film her reaction as she sees our newly acquired rust bucket. So anyway, this ought to be fun.
Wait, take what? Papa?
Yeah.
Ah, what's that? Papa.
Oh my gosh. That's a project.
Huh? Isn't it a beaut?
Oh man. Let me turn the squares on. Jeffrey. I'm just giving you a hard time. Oh, it's gonna look like the pictures. Computer pictures.
They never look like the computer pictures when you get them.
It's broke, Daddy.
Yeah,
Broke.
it's a start.
He said, "Ugh."
It's a start.
You like it?
It's actually can see some
Daddy has a vision.
got a little bit of a
He says, "Let me kick it."
look. Come here. Don't kick it too hard. You'll put your foot through it. Look at the front.
Why?
This was originally white and red, and then it just got painted, I guess, all red. With the whites coming back through, which I'd kind of like to salvage. Like to kind of salvage some of that white bleeding through, get some of that red back off, and just go with it.
It's stuck.
I think this definitely qualifies as a trail rig. This is not going to be a pavement princess. It still has the original paperwork for the Chevrolet conversion to the small block 350, which is in here. And of course, I didn't want to break this back glass, but the back floorboard looks pretty good. There's a lot of rust in the footwells. Just still got some original paperwork in here. All this stuff's wet. Alright. But all the glass is here. All the glass is intact. Inner door frames look pretty good. Dash pads cracked. That's to be expected. Anyway, I don't know. We're gonna try to get it started, and depending if that 350 will crank over and we get a roller, we'll get some at least some tires that'll hold air, so I can start trying to figure out what we need to do first. Like I said, we got some cancer, quite a bit of it, but it's a start. So I'm gonna get the body off this frame. We'll start with the frame and the suspension, and then we'll just start piecing everything else together. Anyway, stay tuned for episode 2.